In this quick guide, I'm going to show you guys how to delete Snapchat chats permanently from both sides. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat and navigate to the conversations page. Once you're over here, navigate to the chat where you want to delete the chats. Open it. So, you'll need to select the chat that you want to permanently delete from the both side. All you have to do is press and hold on it and select the option delete. Your friend will be notified that you have deleted something. Click on delete. With that, the selected chat will be deleted. By following the same steps, you can easily delete other chats as well. Likewise, you can head back. Press and hold on the conversation and select the option chat and notification settings. Click on the option delete chats and set it to after viewing. This will automatically delete the chat after the person has viewed. And that's it. This is how you can delete Snapchat chats permanently from both sides. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.